Welcome to this Siebel 25.2 upgrade summary. Here's Alex from blacksheep IT Consulting, and before we start, if you want to learn anything about the new Siebel CRM, go to siebelhub.com, find the Siebel CRM training page and start learning today with our new features courses for experienced professionals, with our Open UI courses, with our essentials courses for beginners. So there's a training waiting for you. So let's see what's new in Siebel CRM 25.2. So the one thing that you have to watch out for is that this is a release which requires mandatory patches. So check the release notes for more information. The update installer introduces a replacement, a migration from the old Merant DataDirect ODBC driver to the Oracle ODBC driver. So this of course applies to Oracle database only. And also the Siebel server, the client, the tools, those directory structures will include the Oracle Instant client, which is now bundled with those products, which then will host the ODBC driver, etc. Siebel Cloud Manager gets an update as well, especially support for Oracle Compute Cloud at Customer or OC3 and bring your own Git. The REST API gets an update with regards to the ability to adding a custom subject field for OAuth. Then we have Tomcat update to 9098. Linux 7 is no longer supported for Windows 25.2 and higher. And there are several documentation updates included. So when you run the update, when you download the MDE, the Modular Deployment Engine, and you run the update on Windows, for example, looks like that, you get a question, is Siebel Enterprise configured with Oracle database? And if you say yes, and that's your database, you're also prompted to provide the path to the TNS names, or it detects the TNS admin environment variable to locate the tnsnames.ora file, and it will then migrate your ODBC drivers. If you look at the 32-bit ODBC data source administration, you will find backup copies of the original data sources, and the new data source will have the new driver, Oracle in Oracle DB client and so forth. So Oracle DB client is that folder that hosts the Oracle Instant client along with the ODBC driver, which is now used for the ODBC database connectivity that is used in Siebel in occasions like running a post-install database update or repository upgrade or any other command line utilities. So here you can see the folder structure that is present in 25.2 and higher. We can see the Oracle DB client folder present. This folder is also added to the path environment, the system environment variable, so make sure you understand all of the implications of that. Since 25.1, Oracle bundles all installers for the platform, like on Windows, in a single package. So the Windows package, for example, in 25.1 had 14 zip archives. With 25.2, that changes a little bit. So the Oracle database client is no longer shipped separately as a zip, so that's -1. And the mobile applications, the Siebel Mobile Framework sources for the mobile applications, are also shipped with a product, namely Siebel Tools, so they're not to be downloaded separately. So that leaves us with 12 zip files in the Windows MDE bundle. Of course, it's less for Linux or Unix, where you don't have the Windows related stuff. If you look into your AI profile in the REST authentication part, then you will find for the OAuth authentication for the inbound REST API, you will find a new field where you can provide a custom field name, a custom subject field. And finally, if you look into Siebel Cloud Manager 25.2 and higher, you have now in the latest generation of Siebel Cloud Manager support for not only a standalone installer, but also bring your own resources, and you can bring your own Kubernetes. You can install SCM outside of OCI, but you can also have your own OCI at your data center, and 25.2 supports Oracle Compute Cloud at customer, or OC3, which is basically OCI compute inside your data center. So if you're looking into Siebel Cloud Manager and want to understand more about it, then Siebel Hub video training is your friend again. So in the new features section, we have a full mini course on containerization and Siebel Cloud Manager of modern day Siebel CRM deployment options. So do check out the links in the descriptions. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.